Imagine your neighborhood suddenly loses power. At first, it feels like a minor inconvenience. But after a few hours, your phone battery is running low, refrigerated food starts warming up, internet service becomes unreliable, and finding reliable information becomes much harder. The real question isn't will a power outage happen? It's, are you prepared if one lasts longer than expected? Today, let's talk about practical blackout preparedness, emergency preparedness, and simple steps that can help you stay ready without panic. Most people think about emergency preparedness only after a storm, wildfire, or severe weather warning. But unexpected power outages can happen for many reasons, from extreme weather to equipment failures. Being prepared isn't about expecting the worst. It's about reducing stress when everyday systems stop working temporarily. That's why having a simple emergency plan can make a big difference. Here's what many families overlook. We rely on electricity for almost everything. Charging our phones, keeping food fresh, accessing news, running medical devices, heating or cooling our homes. When the power goes out, even basic routines can become challenging. One common mistake is assuming the outage will only last a few minutes. Another is waiting until the last minute to think about supplies. Instead of reacting during an emergency, it's often easier to prepare in advance with a basic household plan. Emergency preparedness experts commonly recommend thinking about essentials like clean drinking water, shelf-stable food, flashlights, batteries, communication options, and important documents before an emergency happens. One way to start is by learning the fundamentals of blackout preparedness. That includes understanding how to create a practical emergency preparedness checklist, ways to organize emergency food and water supplies, backup lighting options, basic communication planning for your family, safe food storage during a power outage, simple strategies for staying comfortable if electricity is unavailable for an extended period. There are educational preparedness resources that organize this information into step-by-step guides, making it easier for beginners to build a plan instead of trying to figure everything out during an emergency. The goal isn't fear. The goal is confidence through preparation. Even small steps taken today can help reduce confusion during unexpected situations. Being prepared doesn't mean expecting disaster. It means having a plan so you're not making important decisions under pressure. Whether you live in a city, suburb, or rural area, learning the basics of emergency preparedness, blackout survival, and power outage preparedness can help you feel more organized when unexpected events occur. If you'd like to explore one educational resource that explains these preparedness concepts in more detail, you'll find it linked in the description below. And now I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever experienced a blackout that lasted more than a day? Share your experience in the comments. It might help someone else prepare more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about emergency preparedness, home safety, and practical survival skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.